Last section we have is section 4.6, and this is over online banking, which probably most of you use at this point. And our book keeps it real simple. There's just a couple things they're going to have you do with online banking. So the first thing they will do is they give you this little chart with all the charges for your online banking. So as you look at the charges for online banking, they've got a basic monthly charge of $6.95. If you have a bill payment, they're going to charge you 50 cents for that. Now this part right here, it says the first 5 NC. That means there's no charge for the first 5. So if you're doing bill pay, let's say you have 10 bill payments on your online banking for that month. The first 5, they don't charge you anything. The next 5 would be 50 cents each. So that's one thing you got to keep in mind with this. And then they've got these other things on here that you're going to pay for. Printed statements, $4. If you need to replace a lost card, $5, and so on. So what you're going to do with this chart is they will give you a word problem. They'll say something along the lines of she has to pay the basic charge for the month. She has 7 bills, and she's got she requests a printed statement. And then what you're going to do is go in here and look at all the costs for those and add them up. So $6.95 for the basic monthly charge. She had 7 bill payments. The first 5 would be free. So she paid 2 at 50 cents each. And then the printed bill statement, where's the printed statement? The printed statement costs her $4. You just add those up, figure out the total she would have to pay for her online banking that month. And that is example number 1 on page 183. So if you want to see that in the book, that's where that's coming from. So that's the first way they do it, just picking the things off the chart, adding those up to figure out how much it's going to cost for the month. The other way they will do it is where they give you something like this. They're going to give you your bill statement, your bank statement for the month, and you're going to come down here, put it on your check register to see how much it's costing you. And all that's, it's really just doing a check register like we've done before, but now they're going to put in some things with online banking. Like here, they're going to put in a bill payment fee of 50 cents. Let's see, the online statement, they're going to charge $38.49 for that. So you're going to take these numbers, put them into your check register to keep your running balance. Once again, you start with your beginning balance, in this case, $871.78. You put these things into the check register, and that's going to keep track of your current balance as you put those in. So those are the 2 things we will do in section 6 with the online banking. Any questions? Okay, today we want you to get through quiz 4.6. Next week will be the test over chapter 4 to finish this chapter up.